Hello guys, and welcome back to another video here today. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a very simple side hustle that anybody can start in 2024 guys with less than $50, okay? So if you've been looking for a side hustle that you can start, or you want to start an online business, you want to create additional streams of income, make that passive income guys, and you only have $50 to invest, then here's a very easy way to get started. Now, to get started with the side hustle, the first thing that you want to do, of course, is you want to decide on a niche. Now, what do I mean by a niche? You need to first of all figure out what type of products and services you would like to sell on the internet and what you're passionate about. The last thing you want to do is you want to go out there and start selling every and anything. Listen, I made this mistake when I started online, and it was very difficult for me to brand myself. It was difficult for me to sell anything because I looked like a flea market, okay? So the best way to stand out from the crowd is to actually find a niche that you are most importantly passionate about, because if you don't have a passion for something, it's going to be very easy for you to give up when you're not getting the results as quickly as you anticipated. And that's just the reality of running a business. It's not an overnight thing. You're not going to get rich overnight. So having a passion for something means that you are motivated to keep going and keep running that business, right? And most importantly, you're excited. Every single day you wake up in the morning, you're going to be feeling very excited to run your business because it's just something that you love. Personally, I could talk about passive income and e-commerce all day, all night, guys. And this is why I'm running a business around the e-commerce and passive income niche. So if you're someone out there who loves travel, maybe that's where you want to start. If you are into the mom's niche, maybe you want to think about kids clothing or something around, children related. If you're passionate about skincare, beauty, then you really want to start thinking about, beauty type products. If you're passionate about hair, then that's definitely a niche that you want to tap into. So I really want you guys to start thinking about what your passions are, right? What your interests are. What's that one thing that you can do even if you weren't making money from, right? Like, what can you do? What can you talk about even if you weren't getting paid for? Now, once you figure out the niche, the next thing you want to do, of course, is you want to find some products to sell, right? Now, if you're just getting started right now, of course, you're not going to have any products to sell. So what you want to do, guys, is you want to find other products out there that are already available on the internet that you could eventually tap into. This is the easiest way to get started, guys, without having to go and create a product from scratch, without having to buy any bulk inventory, without having to write your own ebooks or create your own online courses, which can take you weeks and even months to get things up and running. So what you want to do, guys, that's the easiest way to get started. Now, if you're enjoying this video and you're looking for an even easier way to launch your online business in 7 days or less, yes, that's right, in 7 days from today, my team and I can actually build your online business for you. And this online business comes preloaded with profitable products, digital products, physical products, affiliate products that you can start selling right away and generating passive income, guys. We have so many different niches available, from beauty and skincare, women's clothing, kids clothing, hair, travel, weight loss, so many different niches that you can choose from, guys, and we actually get to build your online business for you, preloaded with profitable products that you can start selling right away and generating income on the internet. So this is not just an online course teaching you how to start an online business. My team and I actually go on to build your online business for you in 7 days or less in a niche of your choice, okay? So you don't have to go through the stress of trying to figure things out yourself, trying to find vendors, trying to build your website, do your funnels. Everything is built for you and ready for you to literally start monetizing your business, okay? And not only that, you also gain access to our weekly marketing training. So every single week, you are going to gain access to a marketing strategy that can help you generate a ton of customers and leads to your business so you can actually make sales and money, okay? So this is not just one of those done for you e-commerce stores that, you purchase a store and you have no idea what to do with it and you have no idea how to actually sell or get customers to your business. This is an all-in-one online business system, guys. We build an online business for you. Simply pick a niche of your choice. We get things set up for you guys, and then you also gain access to the marketing strategies to help you get customers and sales, okay? So if you guys are interested, check the link in the description below this video or head over to www.funempire.com to activate your online business in 7 days, okay? Now, on that note, let's get back to the video. So the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to www.fpire.com. And when you go to the website, if you go to the menu section, you're going to see an option that says resale right products, okay? So what are resale right products? Resale right products are basically ebooks and digital products that have been created by other people, okay? And that you are legally allowed to resell these products as your own, charge your own prices, and keep 100% profits, okay? So as you can see there's a ton of different done for you ebooks that you can literally purchase. So what you want to do is you want to find the done for you ebook in a niche of your choice, okay, and you want to purchase that bundle. This is the only financial investment you're going to be making, right? 47 bucks, guys, you can purchase an ebook bundle in a niche of your choice, okay? And if you're telling me you don't have 47 bucks to invest in your business, then you're just not ready. That's just pretty much what it is. The next thing you want to do is you want to head over to www.gumroad.com. okay, so head over to gumroad.com. You can sign up for a free account, and this platform actually allows you to sell digital products, ebooks, online courses, planners, and so many different products and services, guys. So what you're going to do is you're essentially going to be using Gumroad as your online store or your e-commerce store. Now, I always recommend that you guys get your websites, because when you have a website, it's very easy for you to run ads. So now you can pay Facebook some money to go out there and find thousands of people, guys, who are interested in your products and services. And if you guys want to get your website set up, then my team and I can actually build your website for you in 7 days or less. Check out the Fun Empire program. We actually design your website for you in 7 days or less. Okay, if you're interested, check out the link below this video. But if you guys are not ready to get a website yet, you can still make the strategy work. But if you really want to scale your business, I recommend that you eventually go on and get a website that you own. Okay, that's your digital asset, sis or bro. Okay, so you want to head over to gumroad.com, list your ebooks there for sale. It's pretty easy to do, guys, and then you want to set a price. I always recommend anywhere from $9 to $17 as a price to get you started with, and then when you start getting those reviews, you can always increase your prices as you go along. Okay, so start listing your products for sale, and then what Gumroad is going to do is Gumroad is going to provide you with a link. Okay, this is going to be the link to your store, and you can literally share that link on social media and get people to check out your products. Okay, so now you have your store ready on Gumroad. The next thing you want to do, of course, is you want to tap into the power of social media marketing, guys. There's billions of people on social media right now, guys, and there's no better place to start marketing your business than using social media. Now, you can start on Instagram, you can start on Facebook, you can start on TikTok. But I would recommend that you stick to a platform that you probably already use right now, because it means that you're kind of familiar with the platform already, and it's just going to be easier for you to start selling within that platform. And secondly, I would also recommend that you think about your target audience, right? So if you're targeting the older generation, then you may want to be on Facebook. You really don't want to be on TikTok, because you're not really going to see the older generation that much on TikTok, right? But if you're targeting the younger generation, then you really want to be on TikTok. And if you're targeting more of millennials, Facebook, Instagram is okay. If you're targeting women, Pinterest is actually quite good as well for marketing. So just think about your target audience, look at your competitors and what platforms they currently use right now, and then use that to gauge what the best marketing platform is for your business. I don't think there's one perfect marketing platform for every single type of business. It's just trying and testing things out and seeing what works for your business. Personally, in my niche, YouTube is my #1 source of traffic, and then Instagram, and then of course Facebook. So it really depends on your niche, and it's all about testing different platforms to see what actually works in your business. Now, once you've created your social media account, the next thing you want to do, guys, is you want to start creating short reels. This is really, really important, guys, because video content now is being pushed out more and more and more, because a lot of the social media platforms are trying to compete with TikTok, because over the pandemic, so many people left Instagram, Facebook, everybody was on TikTok, right? So a lot of those platforms now are actually preferring video content over any other form of content, and it's really easy for you to reach out to more people when you create video content. And most importantly, when it comes to running ads, video content it's just the data from your video is just an asset that you can use to run retargeting ads and really scale your business moving forward. So you want to start creating short reels, guys. If you're selling travel products, for example, then you want to start creating travel related kind of content. If you haven't traveled yourself, guys, go on canva.com. You can use stock travel videos. Okay, like you can join Canva for free and start creating stock travel videos on Canva, guys. And people are doing this, guys, without showing their face. They're creating faceless reels all the time, so you don't even have to put your face out there. You're just creating content that's related to your niche, and then sending people to the link in your bio to purchase your products. Okay, and guys, that's how you're able to make money on the internet with less than a 50 bucks investment, selling digital products that you don't even have to create yourself. Okay, so if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave the links to your Gumroad store below this video, okay, so I know you guys have been following through. And if you enjoyed this video, feel free to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.